So in this class, we're going to design packaging for our very own luxury candle step by step, with me guiding you through the process. We'll take this from the very beginning in the planning stage and finding inspiration, to modeling and conceptualizing your ideas in 3D, and finally imposing artwork on the die line so that it's ready for print. The goal here is not only to provide you with a very impressive sample for your portfolio, which this class will, but also to teach you plenty along the way about the process and workflow. So if you're perhaps a graphic designer and you haven't delved into packaging design yet, you're looking to expand your skill set, then this is a great place to start, and I can highly recommend branching off into packaging design. My name's Jason Miller and I'm a freelance graphic designer based in London. Although I'm London based, I've had the privilege of working for clients all across the globe. I specialise in brand identity design, and I've been doing this successfully as a freelancer for over 12 years now. So all you'll need to follow this class are Adobe Illustrator or similar software, and you'll definitely need Adobe Dimension CC. Now, as we come to the 3D mockup stage, we're going to dive straight into using Adobe Dimension, and I'll guide you through just what's needed to get this sample created and adjust your lighting, your layouts and so on. But if you'd like to take a more detailed look at using Dimension, feel free to check out my other class, which dives into a bit more detail. Now, you'll be given a few options. If you want, you can design your own logo and label from scratch that we'll be able to use on our candle, or you're very welcome to use a template I provided as a starting point and customize that as much as you like. The real focus of this class is going to be providing you with something that looks impressive in your portfolio, having fun learning something new along the way. So I'm ready for this. When you're ready, let's get started.